When it comes to animals that scream elegance and drama, the peacock absolutely takes the crown. This bird is like nature's version of a runway model, always dressed to impress and ready to turn heads. But there's so much more to peacocks than just their dazzling looks. Let's dive into why these feathered divas are nothing short of amazing. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, those stunning tail feathers. A male peacock's tail, also called a train, is made up of more than 200 iridescent feathers that shimmer with shades of blue, green, and gold. When they fan it out in full display, it's like watching a living kaleidoscope. But those feathers aren't just for show, they're a way of attracting mates. The bigger and brighter the display, the better the chances of impressing a peahen. It's the ultimate bird version of flexing. What's even cooler is that those feathers don't just look pretty, they're actually an optical illusion. The colors aren't from pigments, but from the way light reflects off microscopic structures in the feathers. This phenomenon, called structural coloration, makes peacocks look like they're glowing. It's like they've mastered the art of natural glam without needing any filters. But don't let their beauty fool you into thinking peacocks are just about looks. These birds are surprisingly tough and resourceful. In the wild, peacocks can be found in forests and farmlands across India and Southeast Asia. They're excellent foragers, feeding on everything from fruits to insects to small reptiles. And yes, they can handle snakes, too. Peacocks are known to eat venomous snakes, which makes them even more impressive. Imagine looking fabulous, while also being a snake-slaying warrior. Peacocks are also incredibly vocal. Their loud, piercing calls can carry over long distances, which comes in handy when they need to warn others about predators. It's like they're saying, "Hey, danger's coming, but I still look amazing." And those calls, they're not random. Scientists have discovered that peacocks have a whole range of vocalizations for different situations. They're basically out here having full conversations in bird language. Another fun fact about peacocks is their cultural significance. These birds have been symbols of beauty, immortality, and royalty for centuries. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with the god Kartikeya and is considered a symbol of protection and good fortune. Even today, the peacock holds a special place in Indian culture as the country's national bird. Talk about being iconic. While most people know the classic blue and green Indian peacock, there are actually other types, like the white peacock. These stunning birds aren't albino, they're leucistic, meaning they lack pigment but still have those shimmering, iridescent qualities. A white peacock in full display looks like a feathered snow queen straight out of a fairy tale.